NMR is a very powerful tool. I think NMR is mostly known due to the structural oxidation application, but recently the analytical power of the method has been explored. And I think in the manufacturing, especially the quantification of single components or the quantification of many compounds in a single shot analysis is one of the main advantages of NMR. I think when it comes to the battery market, we still have quite a few standard methods which rely on wet chemistry, which is well-established methods, but with NMR, we can give more accuracy and precision and repeatability to these methods. We can make it operator independent. We can allocate our system outside the dry room, and then we can make, for example, the speed up process for the innovation, for the creation of new formulations even faster. We have, first of all, instruments which are benchtop based, so to say, so they are simple to be installed and the room requirements are less strict. And at the same time, we are delivering products and solutions which require less NMR expertise. So the integration, I would say, is somehow easier, especially because what we are delivering is an automated product that can be right away deployed in the field of application. Bruker has recently launched in the market our benchtop systems, the Fourier 8, which is part of our strategy in terms of distribution laboratory topology. NMR is a very powerful and well-known technique in the research market, and in the process of developing quality control methods, we also need to have instruments which are suitable to the area or to the department that they are going to be using. At Bruker, we have been developing solutions for all different markets. We have many examples which are well known as the food screener systems, where we are delivering solutions, for example, for juice analysis, for wine analysis, and for honey analysis. And the mindset behind that is that the operator is only responsible for sample preparation, and then the instrument will do everything else. So you are going to get results based on the origin of the sample. You are going to get quantification results and a lot of untargeted results as well. So this concept that we define as solution, we have been applying this to many other fields. For example, if you go to the benchtop world with TD NMR system, we have been developing solutions for the spin finish analysis, but also for the polymer companies, where again, the customer is mainly responsible for filling up an NMR tube, and the software, the instrument, will deliver a final report that can be integrated to a link system or even delivered to another possible customer within the company or external suppliers.